could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a day in my life with a new puppy at home. So it's completely different life without a puppy, with the puppy actually, because I lived without a puppy with my old dog. He's alive basically. So yeah, so day in my life with this new puppy, my sister's puppy, which is a German Shepherd. She's cute as heck, and there'll be a video in my channel in this video, so you guys will understand what I'm talking about. And let's get to the video, and I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, turn notifications on, thumbs up, and comment down below for new content. And outro. I hope you guys like this video and showing you my reality of life, living with a puppy and enjoying it, and gonna be crazy and fun and interesting, and German Shepherd, and I love them. So I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe.